Over 3 decades, when I entered real estate, I realized that projects were evaluated only on the basis of the location, the developer who's doing it, and investors who are investing in. There was very less importance given to the project planning expertise, the technology used, the amenities given, and the spaces. And the finances were another challenges where neither it was much exposed to the buyers and the developers, where they always had to depend on the very expensive source of finances or on investors. And the buyer was mostly the oldest member of the family who had least exposure to all such amenities and lifestyle. I really felt out of space, and before I pull out, I thought of giving myself an opportunity. And there we had some raw lands where we started to and decided to create a location there, where with the holistic development, we started developing these amenities, basic facilities like international school, medical center, sports facilities, acres of landscape gardens and recreation areas, and definitely with retails as well. I think after that, once we had done it and we made a completely landmark project, and we educated all our clients and stakeholders what we are giving. To counter the finance situations, we formulated for the first time in India this pay 15% an entire balance at the time of possession around 2 decades ago, which was later on adapted by the industry, and it was really very successful model for everyone. And we had hired global expertise on board and made this project very successful. I should say that the professional was another area where all our be it architects, be it structural engineers, and the other services consultant, where I used to forget the gender biased. There was only one language spoken, that how we can make the project the best, and we came out with a very good solutions as well. Chandivali in Mumbai is the best example where we had developed Nahar Samriddhi Shakti Township, and it's going on. And we, in the meantime, we inducted quite a lot of women experts, technical experts, and in various fields. And we had given them such an opportunities and throwing into challenging situation, so they can also tomorrow face everything very confidently. Today, when I see young generation women entering into real estate, I feel strengthened, and I feel proud of being in this industry and contributing 3 decades in this industry.